My name is Rhoda. I'm here at Discovery Health. I started coming about a month ago. I'd seen on Dr. Kelly's Facebook pages how she had talked about she was going to have the NovoTHOR bed. And I've been having thyroid issues, so I thought, oh, maybe it's something I should try. I wonder if it would help with that, but I wasn't really sure. So I signed up for one of her free sessions. And when I came in, I guess I need to backtrack a little bit. I had some hip surgeries or hip replacements about 8 or 9 years ago. And I have fallen a couple times in the last 2 years on my right hip. And I had some issues with lower back pain. And then I was having some issues in my neck. And I thought, well, maybe I should give the NovoTHOR a try. So I scheduled my appointment for the free session. And I went in the bed and said, okay, I think I like this. And I went home, and I'm driving home. I live in Appleton, and I'm driving home and had to change lanes because I had a slow car in front of me, and I turned my head. And I quickly went back, and I did it again. And I went, wait a minute. I was only doing this before I came in the bed, and now I'm doing this. And the next time I came in, because we had scheduled some laser therapy sessions, I told Dr. Kelly, I said, you're not going to believe this. She said, well, how was the NovoTHOR? I said, you're not going to believe this. I could turn my head on my way home when I was changing lanes, and I had never been able to do that. The pain in my lower back, it's still there. I'm seeing a chiropractor because she suggested to do both, to kind of enhance both. It will enhance both things. So I've been doing that. And when I went to the chiropractor, I told her I was doing this bed, and she was aware of it. And she told me, well, you'll probably only need 3 chiropractic sessions and then maintenance after that. So that's what is planned right now, and I have only one more session with the chiropractor. And I feel so much better. I have more energy. I go home from being in the bed. I actually was just in there right now. And it's like, okay, I'm gonna go home, I'm gonna do my laundry. If it weren't raining outside right now, I'd be washing my windows. It gives me so much energy. I lay in the bed, and I told Dr. Kelly this today. I said, I can breathe, and I feel like I'm breathing way down to the bottom of my lungs. And I have not been able to do that or felt like doing that for years. So I just am so excited about it because it's really helped my overall, how I feel overall, not only with my thyroid, but with my back issues and with my neck issues. So if you're hesitant, please give it a try. I think you are going to enjoy it. I signed up for the 3-month unlimited, and I'm glad I did it, and I'm so looking forward to the rest of the sessions that I'm going to have in the bed. So my advice to you is please give it a try. You won't regret it. Have a good day.